All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2019 Chevy Camaro. It is the SS2 package with 5,000 miles, beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, navigation, heated and cooling seats, fog lights. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Front bumper looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more, just to engulf it all the way around. All right, your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. And here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Likewise on the curbing, I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds as well. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Does have memory seating as well. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It does have those gray inserts. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips back here either. Let's jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does have two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Your navigation system, as you can see, it is starting up. You got your AC controls right down below. Heated seats right here, and I believe it's vented seat. Heated and vented seats as well. There's your Navi system pulling out. Boom. Backup camera. Boom. Got your interface here, which looks really damn crispy, new, sharp, very nice. Stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 5,944. Looks good. Keeping it moving. I don't know if this thing has fog lights come on automatically or how it works. I don't know. Heads up display. I don't know if the camera can catch it. Boom, but it's right there. Heads up display as well. Super nice. Open up the trunk. Keep it moving. Rear passenger seat. Or I'm sorry, rear bumper looks great. It is does have sensors. Rear liftgate looks great with the rear spoiler. Looks awesome. Of course, this is what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. These cars do not come with spare tires. That is some sort of run flat system it has. This quarter looks great. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. This one does not have any curbing. And let's check out your tire thread for back here, which is just under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips back there either. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Fog lights are working. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a beautiful 2019 Chevy Camaro SS model with 5,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you, and happy bidding.